my name is Tika Vandenherk. Welcome to 421 Lido Drive. The kitchen features custom walnut cabinetry from Canada, a 6-burner Wolf gas stove, a double side-by-side Subzero refrigerator and freezer, a handicap accessible microwave oven, a bar fridge, and a walk-in pantry. This is the bar open to the family room. The floors in the home are entirely porcelain tile. This leads out to the zero-post sliding glass doors, to the outdoor pool, concrete dock, and fire pit. A really cool feature in this house is this wall wash with LED lights that change colors. This feature extends to the outside wall wash as well. Clearly visible at night, making this a really interesting feature both day and night. This home has a main floor master with a very large expansive master bath, zero-post sliding glass doors leading to the outside with a view of the pool and the canal. The master bathroom leads into the master closet that's fully built out. The master bathroom is handicap accessible to walk into the shower, and it has a bench, it has dual vanity, a makeup area, and a separate water closet. The home is a smart home that's operated with the Lutron system on an iPad. One Touch Controls operates the lighting, the drapes, the blinds throughout the home, as well as the outdoor lighting. The roof drains into the canal. The home also has 2 on-demand hot water systems on each side of the property. The home has 5 full bedrooms with 5 ensuite bathrooms plus a half bath. It has an elevator, and it has over 2,000 square feet of outdoor covered terraces. This home has a beautiful outdoor fire pit. It's got 100 feet of dockage on an 85-foot wide canal, a beautiful pool with a nice shallow area for easy entry, and a private outdoor shower.